Hello everybody, good afternoon for you. Let me introduce myself. My name is John. You can call it me Yo-Yo. Yeah, that's people call it me. Yes. And actually I was in my home right now, inside my home, and it was flooding. It was flooding right now. You can see it. This. Wait for seconds. I will turn on the lamp. Look at, look at, look at that. Oh my god. What is your opinion about my home? It's okay, it's turn on. Look at. And it's not very deep, but it's horrible for me. It's so hard, it's so hard to walking around the house because it's flood, everything is flood. Yes, look at, just like a rifle, you know it, rifle or the lake, or maybe a lake, just like a lake. Yeah. Maybe, yeah, just this I want to show to you all. Yeah, before I ending this videos, I wanted to talking with you. I wanted to talk with you guys. Yeah, I was 18 years old for right now. Yesterday was my birthday. Yes. So I am the sad boy. I don't have a girlfriend. I just wanted to find my friend, my old friend, but it's so hard. So kita lawak-lawakin dulu. Udah cukup bahasa Inggrisnya. Terima kasih, sekian, dan sampai jumpa di next video. Salam orang Kalimantan.